Hey guys, let's do a weekly startup. It's almost mid-January and it's 46 degrees here in central Pennsylvania. I'm not complaining, it's just a little unusual. But at 46 degrees, I don't think we're going to have many issues with this thing this morning. So, not that we've had issues actually at all. She's been really, really good. So a quick update before we start this thing up. In the last video I left off, had some issues, but I finished up the rear brakes. Since then, the front brakes have been rebuilt. These things are just fine. They actually probably need to be tightened up a little bit, but they are rebuilt. The hoses are run. Literally, all I need to do to finish the brakes is run the line from the rear distribution block up to the master cylinder. So we are very close. The rear brakes, they're a little tight, actually, and as near as I can tell, I don't have much room for adjustment. So I need to see what's going on here. Don't know enough about it. What I am going to do is when we start this up, I'm going to throw it in drive because me being me, I kind of want to hear the god-awful noise that this will probably make. Hopefully that's not a terrible idea. I think we're about ready to go. I still haven't hooked up the alternator because I suck. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3 seems to be the magic number. I killed it. These YouTube sound effects are wild. Oh, she's just dead. We're getting the jumper cables because at this point I'm committed and I need to find out what kind of noises brakes are gonna make. It's the little things in life, people. Oh. So the issue might not be the battery, it might in fact be the starter connection. Okay, it is now day 2 on this ordeal. I would feel like a complete scoundrel if on the very second weekly startup video there wasn't actually a startup. The battery might be dead, so there's a new battery in it, but I suspect it's actually something going on in the starter. This starter is the original starter that came with the car. It gave me fits before. I have a new starter on the ready if this doesn't fix it, but I can't promise I'm going to get to it in this video. Nope. We've got an issue with the starter, and I don't know if I could swap that new one in quickly or not. We'll see. Well, looks like I got a little extra playtime in today. New starter's in. If this doesn't do it, might be the end of the road for this episode. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, scratch that. No negative thoughts. It is going to start. It's going to happen. All right. We're good. Let's see what sound those brakes make. Not bad. That one's stuck. This is as suspected. Fix the fuel leak, that's gone. Everything looks good. Still idling a little fast, but we'll get there. We'll get that taken care of. Whew. So I guess the starter died. That was the problem. Either that or it was a loose connection that I fixed by installing a new starter. I don't know. You never know. You're no good for me. Well, there you have it, guys. That's our weekly startup. The brakes did not make a god-awful noise because, well, because apparently the drums are tight enough that that wheel didn't spin. So, I don't know. Not going to worry too much about that. Next order of business is to get these brakes finalized, and we can start this thing up and drive it down the driveway. And then down to the corner. And it's going to be awesome. Really, really awesome. So that's the weekly startup, guys. Appreciate you hanging out with me. Until the next episode, take care.